His sister Fanny was 7 years older than he, which meant, because it was Europe, there were probably a few miscarriages in between, and there were. So when his mother became pregnant with him, she went to the rabbi to ask him, how can I be sure that this baby will mature and come out healthy? And this is what he said. I guess they believed it in that town. When he is born, you only dress him in pure linen. He's going to be a gebenchter von Gott, blessed by God, and nobody can punish him. I guess that was a good thing for him. But, so when he was born, she had prepared linen garments for the baby and didn't allow anyone to punish him. He became a pretty stubborn guy, because he was always getting his way, so why shouldn't he be stubborn? And he survived. Obviously, he was a healthy baby. And the other children, there were many of them, came afterwards.